Welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video we are gonna learn how to get started and open a new account on OANDA. First of all, launch open your OANDA application on your mobile device. If you don't have the app yet, you can visit your Google Play Store or App Store and download it first and then launch it open. In the first welcome screen, you'll see Create Account button. Tap on it to sign up. Now follow through the on-screen instructions and go ahead and select for one of the account type. You'll see two different options such as live trading account and demo trading account. A demo account lets you practice trading with virtual funds before risking real money, which is great for beginners. But you can also select the live trading account if you already know how to trade. I'm just going to go with demo trading. After making a selection, click on confirm and continue. And now on the next page, select your country or your region. After making a selection, you'll need to fill in some personal information about you, such as your email address, creating a password, entering a personal detail, and so on. Go ahead and write down your correct password that you have access to in the email box. On the next field where it says create password, make sure to create a strong password. You'll need this password later whenever prompted, so make sure that you have the correct password entered and you make sure you don't forget it as well. Now enter your first name and then your last name and your phone number. After you are done, click on confirm and continue and you'll be able to create an account. After your account has been created, you can now log into your account to get started. Let's go back to the application and click on sign in. Now, you'll need to fill in your email and password as created and finally click sign in. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get access to your newly created account. And there you go. If you're using a real trading account, then you can deposit your fund once your account is active. For a demo account, you can start trading immediately, usually with virtual funds preloaded. It is always a safe option to get started with a demo account to understand how trading works before putting real money at risk. So there you are, ready to start your OANDA trading journey from demo practice to live markets. Just remember to take your time learning and always trade responsibly. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next video. Thank you for watching.